Everyone says YouTube Shorts is the absolute easiest way to grow a channel in 2026. You literally cannot open your phone without seeing a random teenager in a rented Lamborghini screaming at you. They all say the exact same thing. Start a faceless channel, use AI, post shorts, and become a millionaire while you sleep. And I was sitting there, in my dark room at 3 in the morning, staring at my computer screen and thinking, why wouldn't I do it myself? So I decided to put my sanity on the line. For the next 100 days, I will be running a brand new 100% faceless YouTube Shorts channel from scratch, uploading every single day to see if the algorithm is actually as easy as they say, or if it is all just a massive scam. This is week 1, and let me tell you, the results I got in just 7 days were absolutely ridiculous. So, this is my dashboard. Now, you will notice I am completely blurring the channel name and the avatar. Listen to me very carefully. If I show you the channel, you guys will go search for it, watch 2 seconds of a video, and leave. That will completely destroy my retention rate and kill the algorithm. I want this experiment to grow 100% organically. But here's the deal. If you subscribe and stick around until day 100, I will reveal the channel, my exact prompts, and all the money I made. Day 1. The first thing I needed was a niche. I didn't want to just steal other people's TikToks like a lazy bot. I wanted to create something weird, something that makes people stop scrolling immediately. So I decided to create a 3D animated character, a transparent glass skeleton. Look at this guy. He is beautiful. The plan was simple. Put this glass skeleton into crazy pop culture scenarios and anime crossovers. I spent hours generating the assets, writing the scripts, and editing my first few shorts. I uploaded the first video, sat back, and waited to become a millionaire. And boom, 1,507 views. Honestly, for a channel that had 0 subscribers yesterday, getting over 1,000 views on the very first try felt completely illegal. My ego instantly skyrocketed. I was walking around my house like a mafia boss. I thought I was a certified genius. Dubai, here I come. But then came day 2, February 22nd. I decided to step it up and do an anime crossover. The title was, What Would Happen If You Were Raised by Goku? I uploaded the short, closed my laptop, and went about my day. A few hours later, I opened the YouTube Studio app on my phone, and I actually choked on my drink. The graph was a straight vertical line. The video exploded to 23,360 views. It pulled in nearly 700 likes. In just 48 hours of existing on YouTube, my channel was going viral. I was already looking at Lamborghinis online. At this point, I thought I was unstoppable. I thought Mr. Beast should be taking notes from me. And then, reality hit me right in the face. Day 3. I uploaded a video about being raised by Epstein. 92 views. Okay, cool. Maybe the topic was a bit too edgy for the algorithm. No stress. The next day, February 24th, I went family-friendly. What if you spent 20 years in Bikini Bottom? Everyone loves SpongeBob, right? This cannot fail. 113 views. Are you kidding me? YouTube literally threw me into the 0-view jail and locked the door. I tried re-uploading the Epstein video on February 28th. 25 views. And then, on March 1st, I posted another Luffy video. It got 8 views. 8. 8 human beings on planet Earth watched my video. I think it was my mom, my alternate account, and 6 Russian bots. I was completely devastated. The YouTube algorithm gave me a taste of absolute glory, only to throw me straight into the trash. I was spending hours making these high-quality 3D animations, and absolutely nobody was watching them. I seriously considered quitting the 100-day challenge right there. But I promised you guys 100 days. I analyzed my data. The Goku video was my biggest hit. The Dragon Ball fans loved it. So, on February 28th, I decided to go all out. I created an epic short titled Goku Luffy Fusion Blue Form vs. Beerus. I blasted the timeline with sound effects, I put the neuron activation meme right in the middle, and I made the visual pacing so fast you would literally get dizzy. I hit publish and prayed all night. And just like magic, the dead channel resurrected from the grave. Over 10,600 views, 482 likes. The swipe away ratio was amazing. The anime community saved my channel. It proved that my first viral video was not just dumb luck. It proved that if you give the audience exactly what they are addicted to, the algorithm will reward you. So, after exactly 1 week of running a brand new Faceless Shorts channel, here are the real, honest results. We generated a total of 35,800 views. We hit over 280 hours of watch time. And most importantly, we gained over 200 active subscribers from completely nothing. But this challenge is far from over. I still have 93 days left. Next week, I am going to completely change how I edit the first 3 seconds of my videos to see if I can double my retention rate. I have a crazy goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers by the end of week 2. If you want to see the exact strategies I use and find out if this channel actually gets monetized, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a comment guessing how many views I will get next week, and I will see you guys in the next video.